morning. Today is my 27th online lecture video class of class 9 Geography, chapter 2, that is the physical features of India. Today I will revise the topic the islands. The islands. We know that in our country there are two types of islands situated on the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. On the coast of the Arabian Sea there is a island in the southern part, that name is the Lakshadweep Island, and in the eastern coast, at the coast of Bay of Bengal, at the south, that there is a Andaman Nicobar Island. Now I will tell you first about the Lakshadweep Island, which is near the state of Kerala. That is Lakshadweep Island. It is situated in the Arabian Sea, and this Lakshadweep Islands is composed of small coral islands. Clear? And this Lakshadweep Islands, its earlier name was Laccadive, Minicoy and Amendive. But after 1973, after independence, all these three islands altogether it named Lakshadweep Island. The Lakshadweep Islands cover a small area of 32 square kilometer. Okay, how much? 32 square kilometer. And next, the Kavaratti. Kavaratti is the administrative headquarter and capital also. Okay, it is it is the Kavaratti. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep and also the administrative headquarter. And one thing is famous there, that is the PT Island. PT Island, which is uninhabited bird sanctuary. Clear? Now see about the Andaman Nicobar Island, which is situated in the Bay of Bengal. The Andaman is in the north of the Bay of Bengal and Nicobar is in the south. These islands, Andaman Nicobar Islands, they are bigger in size and more numerous and scattered. And these Andaman Nicobar Islands look like a bead of chains. It is divided into two broad categories: Andaman in the north and Nicobar in the south. Okay, it is believed that these islands are elongated portions of the submarine mountains. It is all these islands in the Andaman Nicobar, they are origin from the bottom of the sea and they are the mountains, mountain shaped. And it has this Andaman Nicobar, it has a great strategic importance for our country, for the cellular jail. जिसमें मैंने पहले बताया था आपको कि पहले सेलुलर जेल में, जिसको काला पानी की सज़ा कहते हैं, ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट कैदियों को पकड़ करके सेलुलर जेल में जाके काला पानी सज़ा देते थे, जो अंडमान निकोबार में स्थित है. ओके, It is close to the equator and experience equatorial climate and thick forest cover. यहाँ की अंडमान निकोबार जलवायु वो क्या है? It has a equatorial type climate. It is equatorial type climate because it is near the equator, which receives heat throughout the year. सालों भर वहाँ गर्मी पड़ती है क्योंकि इक्वेटर के एकदम पास है. क्लियर? और यहाँ पे बहुत से उसमें घने वन पाए जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट थिंग अबाउट द कोरल्स. कोरल्स means what is corals? See, corals means the corals polyps are short-lived microscopic organism which live in colonies. Okay, listen again. Coral polyps are short-lived microscopic organism which live in colonies. जो समूह में रहते हैं. ये छोटे छोटे जीवाश्म होते हैं जो समूह में रहते हैं. दे फ्लरिश इन शैलो मड फ्री एंड वार्म वाटर. इनकी उत्पत्ति गहरे और कीचड़ मुक्त और गर्म जल में पाए जाते हैं. इसकी उत्पत्ति वहाँ होती है. दे सीक्रेट कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. द कोरल सिक्रेशंस एंड देयर स्केलेटन्स फ्रॉम कोरल्स डिपॉजिट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रिप्स. जो इनके बोल रहा है कि सिक्रेशन होते हैं जो मुंह से निकलता है इनके लार, उसके बहुत सारे मिल करके स्केलेटन्स के द्वारा ये इनके जमाव से, स्केलेटन के जमाव से जो बनता है उसे रिफ कहते हैं. दे आर मेनली 3 काइंड्स. रिफ्स जो होते हैं वो 3 प्रकार के होते हैं. कौन कौन से? दैट इज द ग्रेट बैरियर रिफ, फ्रिंजिंग रिफ and atolls. The Great Barrier Reef of Australia is a good example of first kind of coral reefs. Atolls are circular or horseshoe shaped coral reefs. Atolls जो है गोलाकार में नहीं तो horseshoe shape में होते हैं, घोड़े की नाल के शेप में होते हैं. इसे अटोल कहते हैं. A detailed account of the different physiographic units highlights the unique features of these regions. It would, however, be clear that each region complements and the other makes the country richer in its natural resources. The mountains. Now I am telling you about the conclusion of the physical features of India. I already told you there are 6 type of physical features and each features has its importance. Now see, the northern mountains, that is the Himalaya, are the major sources of water and forest wealth. The northern plains are the granaries of the country. They provide the base for the early civilization. The plateau, the Peninsula Plateau, that is the storehouse of minerals which support the industries. The coastal regions and the island groups provide site for fishing and port activity. Thus, the diverse physical features of the level have immense the future possibilities of the developments. Well, students, thank you. That is about the chapter number 2. I have revised all these topics today. Okay, thank you.